Today's topic, we are going to discuss some simple mathematics. See, fraction. Add these three fractions. First, let's write it down in proper form. That is 1 7 by 8 plus 2 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Now, this is the question. Now, we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So let's do it. The formula is 8 into 1, 8 plus 7, 15. So this becomes 15 by 8 plus, again convert this also. This is 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So this becomes 11 by 5 plus 2 by 3. We're going to find the LCM of 8, 5 and 3. Okay, so let's find the LCM of 8, 5 and 3. Common sensically, you can see 5 and 3 are prime numbers and 8 are left alone. The LCM will be actually multiplication of 8, 5 and 3 because there is nothing in common. So if we do it, it will be, we're going to write LCM. So LCM will be 8 into 5 into 3, which is 8 into 5 40, 40 into 3, 4 into 3 120. Okay, how I have done it? See, 8 into 5 is 40 into 3, 4 into 3 is 12 and the 0. So this is how you can do it. Now next step, we have to draw a big line along a 1 and the denominator is adjusted as 120 as the LCM of 8, 5 and 3. Now see, we are going to quickly solve this. This is, see, this is 8 and over here it's given 120. So 120 divided by 8, check. 120 divided by 8 is 8 into 1, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, that is 4, 0. And 8 5s are 40. It means that 8 into 15 is 120. So multiply the same in the numerator as well. That is 15 into 15. So let's write it over here. It's 15 into 15. Similarly, this was all the rough sum. Similarly, we are going to do the next part also in the same manner. Over here, see, you've got 5 and over here it's 120. So again the same step, 120 divided by 5. So 120 divided by 5, it's 5 into 2, 10, 2, 0. So it's 5 into 4, 20. So you can see it actually means that 5 into 24 is 120. So multiply the same in the numerator, that is 24. So we are going to write it over here, plus 11 into 24 plus next, see, same over here, 3. We've got 3 over here and here 120. So it's 120 divided by 3. Let's check it. 120 divided by 3, it's 3 into 4, 12 and 0 into 0. So this becomes 40. So you see, 3 into 40. So multiply the same with the numerator, that is 2 into 40. So we are going to write it over here, 2 into 40. Okay. Now once it's done till here, these were the rough sums, so I'm erasing it. Okay. Now we have to solve the next part of the sum. See, it's given 15 into 15 here. So 15 into 15, 25, 7, 5 and 1. So this comes to 225. So we are going to write over here 225. So we'll draw a longer line once again, 120, and this will become 225 plus 11 into 24. So if we solve 11 into 24, 11 into 24, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, 264, 11 into 24. So let's write it over here, 264 plus. Now 2 into 40, that is 4 into 2, 8, 0. Now once this is done, we are going to add, the denominator will be the same, that is 120, and we are going to add all the numerators, that is 225, 264 and 80. If we add all of them, we get 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, plus 8, 16, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5. So this comes to 569 here in the numerator. Now see, this is given in improper fraction, so we need to convert it into mixed fraction, because see, the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it's an improper fraction. So let's find the mixed fraction. 569 divided by 120, so it's into 120. So what we can do is, we can multiply it by 4, then only we can get the closest number possible. If we do it by 4, 12 into 4 is 480, because 12 5 is 60, it would become 600, so we'll take 480, and 569 minus 480, we get 89. Now we are going to write it this way. Over here this 4 becomes my whole number, and the denominator 89 is my numerator, and the denominator being 120. That's it. Moving on to the next sum, see, subtraction. So it's 7 1 by 5 subtracted by 3 9 by 10. Again, you can see it's given in mixed fraction, so we need to convert it into improper fraction. So let's do it first. It's 7 into 5, 35, plus 1, 36. So it becomes 36 by 5 minus 3 into 10 is 30, plus 9, 39 by 10. Now LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So it will be 5 into 2 is 10. So multiply the same in the numerator. So this becomes 36 into 2 minus 39 into 1, because here there is 10 and here also there is 10. So into 1. Now the denominator remains 10, and 36 into 2 is 6 into 2, 12. 3 2s are 6, plus 1, 72, minus 39 into 1 is 39. So from 72 subtract 39. 3, 3. So we get 33 by 10 as the answer. Now this again is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. This is simple, 33 by 10, so it is 10 into 3, 33. So we are going to write it, this becomes my whole number, so this is 3, and the denominator over here, the remainder becomes my numerator, that is 3, and over here the divisor becomes my denominator, that is 10. So the answer is 33 by 10. Moving on to the next sum, multiply 130 into 33 by 4. First step, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this is 130 into 3 into 4, 12, plus 3, 15. So this becomes 15 by 4. 130 means 130 by 1. Always remember that. So in that case, 130 and 4, it is possible for us to divide. 4 would become 2 and 130 would become 65. Now in this case, not possible for us to divide anything more, so simply 65 into 15. Let us find out. 65 into 15. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30, plus 2, 32. 5 ones are 5 and 6 ones are 6. Now it becomes 5. 5 plus 2, 7, and 6 plus 3, 9. So this becomes 975 by 2. Again convert this number into mixed fraction. So 975 divided by 2. So it's 2 into 4, 8. 1, 17. 2 into 8, 16. 1, 5. 2 into 7, 14. 1. So 487 becomes my whole number. The remainder 1 becomes my numerator and the denominator is 2. Moving on to the next question. A class has 40 students. 3 by 4 of students are boys. How many are girls? Technically, if 3 by 4, the whole thing is 4. There are total 4 parts, out of which 3 by 4 students are boys. So therefore, what is the fraction of girls? So for this, first we are going to write it in this way, that number of students in a school, in a class is equal to 40. Fraction of boys in the class, it's given as 3 by 4, right? So this is given as 3 by 4. Now we are going to write the fraction of, therefore, fraction of girls. First we find the fraction of girls. How do we find the fraction of girls? Therefore, see, the total is 4. So the total is 1, the whole thing. From here, 3 by 4 are boys. So 3 by 4 are boys. So out of 4 parts, 3 parts are boys, which means that only 1 part of the 4 parts are girls. So 1 by 4 is the fraction of girls in the class. Therefore, we need to find the how many are girls. So we need to find the number of girls. So we're going to find the number of girls. So number of girls in the class equal to, this is simple, 1 by 4 is the fraction of girls into, that is 1 by 4 of 40 students. So we can write 1 by 4 of 40. 1 by 4 of means multiply 40. Deducted 40 divided by 10, it becomes 10. So 10 girls is my answer. Moving on, write 61.506 in expanded form. See, this is the number. This actually means ones, tens. And to the right of the decimal point, we have got tens, hundreds, and thousands. So for this, we are going to write it as 60 plus 10, plus 1 plus 5 by 10, because there is one place after the decimal point. That's why 10. Plus 0 is in second place, so there will be 2 zeros here, and here there is 0. You may or may not write it, so we will omit this. And plus 6 is in the third place. You can see 1, 2, 3. That's why there will be 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. So this becomes my answer. Always remember, these number of zeros depends upon the position of that particular digit in after the decimal place. Like here, it is in the first decimal place, so 1, decimal place 1, so 1 0. And 6 is in the third decimal place, this is 1, 2, 3. That's why here there is 1, 2, 3 zeros. Moving on, number 6. A bag of sugar weighs 105 kg. Find the total weight of sugar in 9568 bags. So first of all, we're going to find out the weight of sugar in one bag. Sugar in a bag is equal to 105 kgs. Now, number of bags is equal to 9568. Now we are going to write weight of sugar in all the bags. Total weight of sugar, we must write total weight of sugar in all the bags. It is equal to, obviously within bracket it will be in the kgs form, so it is 9568 bags into 105. That is the capacity of one bag, and this is kg. So this is our answer. Now we are going to solve this out to find out the answer. Let's do it. 9568 into 105. So 9568 into 105. See, 8 into 5, 40. 6 5 is 30 plus 4, 34. 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. And 5 9s are 45 plus 2, 47. 5 done. Here we have got 0. So 0 into 8, 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 9, 0. Next we have got 1. So 8 ones are 8. 6 ones are 6. 5 ones are 5. And 9 ones are 9. We are going to add it. We get 0, 4, 8 plus 8, 16. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. And 9 plus 1, 10. So 1004640. So we're going to write the answer 1004640. 1004640 kgs. That's it.